This is a review on a Bafang 750 watt mid-drive e-bike conversion on a old school Trek 6500 ZX mountain bike that I got for free. Overall, the bike doesn't have disc brakes, but the V brakes work good still. And this is the 48 volt battery that has the 750 watt mid-drive engine on it. Super easy to install. Took me about 2-3 hours. You're definitely going to want to get the puller to get your cranks off, and then also the puller and tools to take off your the main hub assembly there. There's like a sprocket socket that you need. All that is pretty easy to find online. It came with this really nice headlight, and here's your throttle control. Is right here. This is the display. We got the power selection 1 through 9 and power up. On the bike itself, we did end up losing one gear here, or 2 gear sprockets, so it only has one front sprocket now, and then all the rear ones are on there still. But pretty awesome, easy installation. Super impressed with it overall, and highly recommend this setup. So if you have any questions, you can comment, and yeah, thanks for checking out the video.